Hello, and welcome to Precision Flooring. Most people don't buy flooring often, so we are frequently asked, what is the process? The best place to start is to come visit our showroom located at 10026 Meadow Way in Truckee. You will meet with me to discuss your project and any specific needs. I will then point you to different products throughout the showroom. Once you have narrowed down your options, we invite you to check out the samples and bring them back to the installation area. This will allow you to view your flooring with proper lighting conditions, furniture, and paint. At the same time, we will schedule an appointment for us to come out to the space and measure the installation area. This appointment is complimentary and will allow us to establish the full scope of your project. Following the measure, we will send the estimate via email for you to review. Once you have decided to proceed with your upgrade, we will order the product, schedule your job, and transform your space. Thank you, and we look forward to upgrading your home or business soon.